What's up, Fortnite gamers? Today I'm going to be creating an ocean, but that's not it. I'm also going to be creating fish in that ocean. It's pretty cool. So first I have to create the base of the actual fish, which shouldn't be that hard. But first I have to go over to Skyblocks, make that a solid color, and make it a kind of blue thing, so it looks kind of like it's underwater. I don't know. Now I just got to create a cube and start modeling this amazing fish. So after I create the base of the fish, I'm then going to make it so it has random colors every single time you load a new game. So it's basically like randomly generated. All I have to do is get into the render of the thing, change the material, and then bada bing, bada boom, it's done. So as you can see, it's a random color every single time. See, it's great. But that's too boring. I'm also gonna make it have a random size. Okay, so this is easy. All I have to do is just use random.range and transform the local scale, so it does it real quick. Yeah, boom, easy. So now it'll be a different size every single time. It's kind of cool in my opinion. It's kind of cool. Now you can get fish like these. This little flat boy. Look at him go. So now all I have to do is create a flying camera script. And by that, I mean paste the camera script and then just act like nothing happened because I'm way too lazy. Okay, so now you can move around and look at your amazing creation from every angle. But this still isn't enough. I want the fish to actually move and have AI. And by AI, I mean mindlessly moving around everywhere, which is kind of like fish in real life, but you know. So I'm going to make all the stats about the fish randomized, so each fish is just a little bit different in speed. That's basically it. So it's a very simple script. It's actually kind of easy to make, but you know, I'm proud of it. Okay. Oh, look at him go. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Okay, so I definitely messed something up there. Okay, hopefully I fixed it. Oh, look at him go. Oh, this is the most wholesome thing that has ever been on my channel. Okay, time to make millions of them. So basically what this code is doing, it's gonna instantiate the fish, it's gonna pick a random position for it, and then just, you know, yeah. Okay, so I've added a floor because I eventually want to add crabs, which would be very cool. So boom, look at this. It's pretty cool. Look at this guy. That guy's pretty good. That's a pretty cool fish in my opinion. But this place does seem a little bit empty, so I'm gonna add some seaweed. This is truly gonna be amazing because like it's seaweed. And boom, it's looking a lot more lively now. Like, look at this. It's actually looking kind of... Okay, I now want to create a crab that just stays on the floor and stuff like that. The problem is I have no clue what a crab looks like. Okay, this does not seem right. You know what? This is the best I'm gonna get it. Now I just gotta start making the crabs randomly spawn, and it's gonna be great. Okay, so I think I might have made a mistake with the crabs. He's not looking too good. At least this guy seems like he's having fun. Look at him jumping up and down. What a cool crab. And I think this one just gave up. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to make a shark that can eat the smaller fish. But first I'm gonna create names, so when one of the fish die by sharks, you're gonna feel even more sad. But I needed help with my fish name, so I decided to make this channel called Fish Names for video about fish being fish coded by me. So now we just gotta wait for people to suggest names on Discord. Okay, so I let people suggest the fish names for like an hour, and this is how many I got. Okay, so the ones I got was Fish, Chad, Something Extra, Swimmy, Jimmy, Funny Bird, Funny Fish, Pheno Wonder, Ultra Microscopic, Igalico, Volcano, Hectic, Mumble, Jim 2, Chuck, Finn McSwimfast, Randy, Wasabi. Wait, I don't want to accidentally say this. Nick, Sashimi, Bubble, Gulp, Bloop, Toilet, Upside Down, Oop, Bubbles, Bruh, Garbage, Chagga. I like the name. You should do that one. Chub, Breadfish. You get the idea. I'm not saying all of them. So it's gonna pick a random one for each fish, and it's gonna assign them that name, and then the name is gonna be on top of their head, which is gonna be great. So here it is. It's his Finn McSwimfast. He doesn't swim fast at all. This is fake. I hate this. I also want to see if I can make things a little bit faster, so there's a higher chance of you going super speed. Oh my god, the crabs. Oh my god, what the hell is going on? Time to create a working shark. So I'm just gonna make it so if the shark touches the fish is gonna explode into blood. It's gonna be so funny, and we're all gonna go ha 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 ha. I've become a master at particles now, so I'm pretty sure I can do this just fine. And I'm not creating AI, so he actually chases the fish. It's just gonna be completely by accident. He's gonna accidentally bite on the fish's head too hard, and the fish is just gonna die. It's very simple code, okay? Now let's see if the fish actually survive. That was actually just the saddest thing I've ever seen. Oh, this is so sad. Every time I get into the game, the fish just dies instantly. Okay, well now the whole world is full of those sharks. I've also added amazing terrain to the game. Like it's the best terrain ever. So this is the fish ecosystem at the moment. It's horrible, and I have no clue what's going on. The crabs are going completely insane. Like that guy's just flying into the air. I don't know what's going on. Oh, this is just so sad. Oh, this guy's trying to get up the mountain. Dude, I believe in you, crab. You can do this. Anything is possible. Oh, look at him go. Well, you're a failure. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and bye.